Birthday ni Ate Olive ngayon.
Hello, Ate Lay.
Oo.
Maraming salamat. Well, tonight of course is indeed a night to remember, a celebration of life, celebration of family, friends, and of course celebration of next is Anna. Palakpakan na naman. Also, let's welcome Mark Oliver. And of course, Sophia Bell. And let's not forget the loving, proud, and handsome husband of our celebrant, Sir Helio Boy, Leonardo. Make some noise, everyone. Woo! There you have it again, a big round of applause to Leonardo family. Thank you so much. And this time, right before we welcome our beautiful celebrant tonight, Leonardo. Make some noise, everyone. Woo! Sabay-sabay naman natin sabihin, happy birthday in 3, 2, 1, go! Happy birthday! Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Before anything else, let's take a special family photo on stage. Everyone, you may now be seated. Maraming salamat.
Marami tayong kasiyahan gagawin, fire games, Nahihiya ako, wala akong sasabihin.
Ano pwede nyo i-share sa amin? Ano po?
Well, lahat magkaroon ng magandang health, walang problema, at maraming pera!
Amen! Maraming salamat! Ako, sana nga po magkatotoo yan. Again, the handsome brother of our birthday girl, Sir Mar Ojeda. Palakpakan naman yata. Wow! Let's go! Husband of our birthday girl. Palakpakan naman natin, Mr. Boy Leonardo.
Thank you.
sing few lines from the song. We'll be flashing the lyrics in our screen. So meron kayong reference ng lyrics. So I think ready. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat everyone.
And if you feel away, don't stress, just enjoy. And that is it for me. I'll see you soon. And with that, I'm out. Peace. Happy birthday, Mom. Mom, happy birthday.
Pala naman natin. Pagkasan sa bawat.
Well, of course, maraming pong salamat before saying my message to all. Maraming pong salamat sa pupunta nyo rito. Dahil alam namin na kahit umuulan, bumabagyo, bumaba, matraffic o hindi, nandito po kayo. Sa mga taga malayong lugar na nandito ngayon, nagkataon na nandito tayo, salamat po, maraming salamat. Maraming friends, relatives and friends, maraming salamat po at maraming salamat sa iyo. And of course, sana marami pang ganito all throughout the years. Healthy, wise, and of course,
Bigyan niya ako ng mga stickers kasi college siya noon sa Philippine Women's University College siya noon. Tapos mag-uwi siya sa amin.